Hey guys, welcome to the Tech Hub training. This is the Goliath cleaning challenge being used in Alteryx. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So in this challenge, you were acting as a financial analyst for New York Goliath Incorporated, and you were tasked to create two different tables from three different tables that were provided. You were to create a table of the top 10 employees and a table of the top 25 employee or the top 25 customers. So just jumping right through it. In the employees table, let's go ahead and run this real quick just so we get all of our information through it. Cool. So in this table, in the employees table, you'll notice that we had a pretty easy data set to work with, where you have the employee ID, the first name, the last name, the phone number, the job title, the department, switch those two, and then the address as well as the city, state, and zip code. And they were all split up by that slash, so it made it pretty easy to go through with text to columns, split it all up, and then create selected tables so that you see those specific columns. Um, the sales order summary table, you didn't need to modify or anything. And then with the customers table, you needed to do the same thing, except rather than the slash, you use the straight bar. There's an actual name for that one. I don't know what the actual title of that uh, specific character is. But put that in the text to columns, run it right through, get your select out, and get all your columns labeled correctly. Put them right into the joins, and you'll get all of your information going through where that you can specifically count the sales order number to each employee and to each customer. Then once you get that, then you run it into the summarize for both of them for their respective tables, and generate a list where you are sorting it by the number of sales orders. Sort it in descending, and for the company one, you have to sort it in after the number of sales orders. You have to sort it by the company name in alphabetical order, just so that it you know returns the correct results. Then after that, you just easily select the records that you want, the top 10 records for the employees and the top 25 records for the customers' orders. And you can just put them right into browse folders for your employer to look at for his um, task in the morning. Good luck, guys. Hope this was easy to know and easy to learn. Best of luck in the future.